How are you doing, friends? Today we're going to see a story from the Dhammapada of the Tipitak. It is so interesting to see these stories because they are so relatable even in the present context. 25 centuries after the Buddha, even today, these stories hold so much of relevance. Reason being that the psychology of the people is the same, absolutely no difference. So let's see the story. There was a theatre called Upananda. Now, Upananda used to be a very eloquent speaker. He was a monk and he used to go to different places and preach about Dhamma, about how people should not be greedy, they should not crave for things. And he would himself, for himself, he would take robes, he would always want things for himself. And it so happened that during the rains, the bhikkhus would stay at one place for 3 months because they couldn't travel because of the heavy rains. So he went to the village monastery just before the rains, which was known as Vasavasa, and he asked the monks there how many robes they would receive after the rains. So they said they received one robe as a donation from the village people. So he just left his slippers there. Then he went to the next monastery and he asked those monks, how many robes do you all get after the 3 months of the Vasavasa? So they said, we received 2 robes each. So then he left his staff there so that he was present there. Then he next went to another monastery and he asked them, so they said we received 3 robes each. So he left one of his personal belongings there. And then he goes to the 4th monastery. There he learns that the villagers give 4 robes. So he decides to spend the rain retreat period there itself. After the rain retreat, he gets his share of robes, 4 robes. Then he goes to all those monasteries where they have been promised 3, 2, 1 robes because he had kept his personal belongings there. So he gets his share and he puts everything in a cart and he is on his way to the principal monastery from where he belongs. On his way, he sees 2 bhikkhus, 2 monks fighting over robes. So he stops the cart and he asks them, what are you all fighting over? So they said, no, we have 2 robes and 1 velvet blanket, which is very beautiful. So we're fighting over who should get whom. So then Upananda tells them, you all take one robe each and give me the velvet blanket. So he takes it with him and comes. The 2 bhikkhus are not very happy with what Upananda has said. So they go to the Buddha and tell him the whole story. So Buddha tells them, those who preach to others but don't implement themselves really doesn't make sense. So he said the following in Pali. Attanemiva pattamam patirupe nivese attana manussaseya na kiliseya pandito. One should first establish oneself in what is proper. Then only one should teach others. A wise man should never incur any kind of reproach from anybody. So when these bhikkhus heard this, these 2 monks heard, they became Sutapatis. When we listen to this story, like I told you in the beginning, it is so relatable. We keep on preaching to so many people, but we don't do the same things ourselves. So may all of you be happy. May all of you get the pure Dhamma.